Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video I teach you about how to make isolate object. Now select it object. So there is another option called layer of layer plus. So here I am going to use object group, object height. You select this one, right click, isolate, but hide object. So if you select hide object, the object will be hidden. So it's not in the layer. See lay on, nothing will come. Okay, because it's hidden. The same way you right click, isolate, and in object isolation, it will come back. Okay, so this is only hiding. So it's opposite of isolation. Okay, you want to keep all, but you want to hide only this one, you can do this one. But if you want to isolate this one and hide this unity, so you just right click, same, isolate object. So it's opposite of the isolate object. And I hope you understand very well. Inshallah, and we will meet in next video. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe. We can learn together. Take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.